Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Odyssey. First, let's cover the basics. You'll learn Mario's fundamental movements like running, jumping, and rolling. Then, we'll dive into Cappy, your magical hat, and how to throw him to capture various enemies and objects. Finally, we'll explore the primary goal, collecting power moons to fuel your airship, the Odyssey, and travel to new kingdoms. Get ready for an amazing adventure. Cappy is your most versatile tool in Mario Odyssey. You can throw him to extend your jumps, reaching new platforms and secrets. Capturing enemies is key. For example, possess a hammer bro to throw hammers or a bullet bill to fly across chasms. Don't forget advanced techniques like the homing throw, which allows Cappy to track targets, or the cap bounce for extra height. Mastering Cappy opens up countless possibilities. Each kingdom in Mario Odyssey is a vast playground filled with secrets. Your main goal is to find power moons, with over 900 available across all kingdoms. Some are obvious, while others are cleverly hidden or require solving puzzles. Talk to the many non-player characters you encounter. They often provide valuable clues or offer minigames. Also, collect the unique purple regional coins to buy special outfits and souvenirs from crazy cap shops. To truly master Mario Odyssey, practice advanced movement techniques. The dive jump, performed after a regular jump, covers long distances. Wall jumps are crucial for scaling tall structures. The ground pound jump, executed by ground pounding then immediately jumping, provides a quick vertical boost. Remember, kingdoms often have new power moons appear after you've collected a certain amount, so revisiting them is always a good strategy for finding more. Happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.